Okay? So, tawagin po natin si Sir Toots. Okay. So, Sir Toots, hello po. So, may sasabihin po kayo sa ating mga guests. Sige. So, tawagin na natin at this point ang mga officers natin ng Philippine Assistance Group. Dito na po tayo. Okay? So, bago tayo mag-group photo, meron pong sasabihin si Sir John Michael.
Okay guys, masaya ba kayo na nandito si Dennis Trillo at si David Nicalco? Magsisigaw ang masaya! Masyadong masaya ang mga tao ngayon. So dahil dyan, yan ay maagang pumasko again ng NCCA, ng CAG, at saka para sa inyong lahat. Okay? And because of that, dahil masaya tayong lahat, we have this certificate of participation. And once again, this certificate is presented to Dennis Trillo and Dave Calco. I'm sorry. Mahangin ngayon. Diba? And the content is the Philippine Assistance Group in cooperation with the Embassy of the Republic of the Philippines in Tokyo, Japan, recognize and express our sincere appreciation for your participation to the program during the Philippine Festival Tokyo 2024. We highly commend and greatly appreciate your dedication and diligence toward the success of the event and your efforts to preserve the Filipino culture and heritage through cultural awareness to the communities in Japan. We truly value all your hard work given this 8th of December 2024 at the Yogi Park, Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan, signed by Her Excellency Mylene J. Garcia Albano, the Ambassador of the Republic of the Philippines, and of course, Mr. Berlito Toots Capulong, Chairman of the Philippine Assistance Group and Philippine Festival. So we'll give the award.
Okay, so mag-ipon po tayong lahat dito sa gitna at mag-group picture po tayo para kasama kayo sa picture.
Tinatawagan yung mga nandun, pumasok kayo! Pumasok kayo! Tandaan ninyo, kasama kayo sa kasiyahan dito.
Lapit po tayo, mag-picture po tayo. So picture, tighter po, close up muna. So picture muna po ang ating tag officers with our artists. Okay? Tapos, iikot na mamaya para kasama tayong lahat. Okay, so tayo po ay mag-groovy, tama po? Okay, lipat po yung mga photographers na likod po. Dito po tayo.
Oh guys, tumayo po kayo, kumaway! Para kasama tayo sa kasiyahan dito sa Yoyogi Park.
Photographers, lipat na po tayo dito. Okay lahat. Dito po tayo sa gitna. Lipat tayo sa gitna mga kapuso para makita tayo sa picture, ano? Ayan, tapos huwag pa kayong aalis. Pagkatapos natin mag-picture, may papamigay pa kaming mga gifts para sa inyong lahat. Para kita.
Hindi mo pa lahat yan. Hindi naman kita eh. Talaga?
On Jamie Pinay TV sa Facebook po, Instagram, para makita niyo po yung ating mga group photos, okay? And also, ang social media account ng PAG, para makita ang iba pang pictures. Okay, DJ, pa-music na po. Okay, thank you very much. Sayo-sayo na po tayo, party-party na.
Bola? Ate Ale!
Sabay-sabay guys. Philippine Festival Tokyo 2024. Okay, sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3. Philippine Festival Tokyo 2024.
Okay, dahil dyan, party-party na tayo. In behalf of Philippine Assistance Group, Philippine Embassy in Tokyo, and all the other sponsors and guests, this is May Trona from GMA Pinay TV. Maraming salamat po. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy Month of Overseas Filipinos. So party-party na po tayo. Ito po ang aming sorpresa para sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. David, Dennis, thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po on behalf of the Philippine Assistance Group of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po. Until next year, see you at the Philippine Festival Tokyo 2025. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Thank you very much po. Sayo-sayo tayo, guys!
Guys, sumayaw tayo! Masaya ang Pasko sa Japan!
Best Merry Christmas and Happy New Year po sa ating lahat! Maraming salamat po despite sa very busy schedule na pumunta kayo
This situation is a helping hand, and no matter what happens, we'll stand over the noise. The people give us motivation, and together we'll win our nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, our booth at the Philippine Festival are still open until 7 p.m. Okay, 7 p.m. Please enjoy food, culture, and services in all our booths until 7 p.m.